In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the FORECAST.LINEAR function in Google Sheets to predict future values based on your existing data. Start by organizing your data clearly. Put your time period, like months, in one column and your values, like sales, in the next column. This clean structure helps the formula understand the trend. Now, choose the cell where you want your prediction. Type the FORECAST.LINEAR formula by giving it three key things: the future point you want to predict, your known values, and your known timeline. Once you press enter, Google Sheets will instantly calculate the predicted value based on your existing trend. What this function does behind the scenes is draw a straight line through your current data and extend it forward. This method is called linear regression, and it's widely used in business, finance, and data analysis. If you want to forecast multiple future values, simply drag the fill handle down. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula and generate predictions for each new period. This is incredibly useful for sales forecasting, budgeting, trend analysis, or planning future performance. Just keep in mind that FORECAST.LINEAR works best when your data follows a steady trend. If your data is highly irregular, the predictions may not be as accurate. And that's it. You now know how to use the FORECAST.LINEAR function in Google Sheets to turn past data into future insights.